All right, yo, welcome back to the channel. It's been about a year, so I figured, hey, let's do some updates. Today we're going to be looking at these Lasfit LED headlights. Our test pig is a 2015 Chev Silverado. As you can tell, I've used these a couple different times on the same truck. Definitely a negative on the that era of Chev is the low beam headlight is the daytime running lights. So anyways, this is what they look like. This is a good one. I only had to change one last time. There's a plug and play harness, so you can just plug it into the existing old school halogen bulb, same connector, and then you get a little bit of room to play. I do like them quite a lot. I think that they're nice and bright. I got about a year, I think, out of the last set. So like I said before, this truck is funny because the low beam lights are the daytime running lights. So I'll show you in the daylight. It is daylight, but get a good view here. See the nice white color. Obviously not an install video, pretty simple. So yeah, I would rate these pretty high. I do appreciate them, I do like them. The only thing is, like I said, I got about a year out of them, and I think they were you know, approximately that $100, 80 to $100 Canadian. So yeah, anyways, like I said, I'll probably give them a 8.5 out of 10. So yeah, definitely recommend them, and keep your eye out for more review videos. Peace and love.